39% of the world population suffers from hypercholesterolemia. In other words, high cholesterol levels. But what does it mean? It means that you have an extremely high chance to suffer from a heart attack and that your veins might get obstructed. In fact, annually 2.6 million people who suffer from hypercholesterolemia die, a reasonable reason to get tested. But did you know that the only way to measure cholesterol levels is by performing a blood test? This involves personnel for sample extraction, a place to extract the sample, a laboratory to analyze it, and the time to do so. But that's not all. Did you know that 10% of the world population is afraid of needles? And when taking the exam, they get punctured in multiple places if necessary. This also leaves bruises and the user in pain. And we realized something. We knew the problem was blood, the needles, the pain the test involves, and the time it takes to do it. So we thought, is there a way of making the exam without blood, without needles, painless, and in less time? Then we realized we could.
That's when Daeki showed up, a new method to make a lipid profile, and no needles will be required, as we will use reactive stripes. Instead of blood, we will use saliva. Waiting days or months to get the results is over. Now it's only a matter of minutes. It will be even cheaper than other lipid profiles.
But how can we do that? We just need a drop of your saliva. Just by taking a sample from your mouth with a cotton swab and rubbing it over the test strips included in the Daeki kit, the strips will get colored and indicate if you have high cholesterol levels in your blood, as a lipid profile would. To release Daeki, we need an initial investment to run the laboratory tests and make the process cheaper and faster. This so we can distribute it to drugstores that will sell it to the potential users, over 290 million around the world. What do we expect from the future? We plan to make Daeki the replacement of conventional blood tests to measure cholesterol levels. We also plan to measure not only cholesterol. And even though we are going to start small, in a few years we expect to release Daeki worldwide. Who are we? We are a group of engineers specialized in a variety of areas. Amongst us, there are 3 majors in biological engineering, a major in computer engineering, and a major in design and innovation, and everyone has participated in at least one entrepreneurship. This is who we are.
We are Daeki!